Listen up, guys. The next 3 days is gonna be a Helium robbery. I just did some new changes, and the next 3 days, guys, stay tuned. Like and subscribe, Rosy Grow, because it's gonna be a Helium robbery. Guys, stay tuned. Like and subscribe. You're gonna see 7-day results. Check it out. 16 coins. But we're gonna improve this from this week to next week. Watch and stay tuned. 14 days, 31. Stay tuned. Watch. Here's the moment of truth. Guys, so for the 30 days, this is what I've been doing. I did 55 coins for the 30 days. This is worst case scenario, because it could be a best case scenario. But that's another story for another video. But if you guys want to get numbers like this or more, subscribe, do your thing. Guys, don't forget to, I'm mining mobile 5G coin, the 870,042 and 2165. If you multiply that times 0.004, it equals $3,400 and like $21. Either way, I ROI my investment in 3 months. $2 grand.